Gina from WTI. I love a good, strong cup of tea in the morning, and my go-to for the last several years has been Assam. I have to say that this tea from 2 leaves and a bud has a unique flavor that I really love. It's a really bold, malty flavor. I'm not exaggerating when I say that I have a cup of Assam every single morning, so I've gotten to know some of the nuances of different brands, and 2 leaves and a bud would definitely be in my top picks. The flavor is just outstanding, and I love that it's organic, and I can compost not just the tea bag, but also the bag that it comes in. How amazing is that? This is a really nice black tea with moderate caffeine, so it doesn't give me the jitters, and I can actually have a couple cups in the morning without it affecting me in that way, but it gives me enough pep and energy to get going. I like to add some cream and a little sweetener to mine to really bring out the flavors. This tea is definitely one of my new favorites. You can't go wrong with it if you're looking for a really good cup of black tea, and that's my point of view.